Dissection really has changed our viewpoint of how we see the body, and this is something I'm passionate about because our viewpoint, whether it's from an artistic artist painting or etching through the years, or the form that we see it in, whether it's body worlds or again some other type of preservation method, it will change our options of what we see and can visualize, and also then strategize for our clients, for ourselves. And this is really important. I'm fascinated, even here at this museum, the varnishings of some of the old bodies. So this was an early preservation technique that's preserved bodies for several hundred years. But of course, you lose something in gaining something else. And that's the nature also of dissection or any viewpoint we see artistically. We take away one thing in order to see something else. So it becomes a choice and sometimes an artistic expression, but highlights sometimes new possibilities. But more recent textbooks have been very clinically oriented and very static in the viewpoint. Here, you look around the richness of the museum and you see soccer players, you see somebody playing chess. You can then imagine what the body looks like with some of those layers taken away, or just, again, different viewpoint into what is inside us. And that's fascinating.